Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 18, 2026. Andito kami sa Taos. Very sad because ang pinuntahan namin dito is yung Pueblo. Sarado ng Pueblo. Ito yung hotel na nag-gusto kami. Yan yung Hampton Inn by Hilton. Ayan. Hampton Inn by Hilton. Ang ganda ng view, very scenic view. Ang ganda sa likod ko, di ba, mountain na. Sobrang mountain. And ito yung made of adobe. Building, lahat ng mga building made of adobe. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh, ganda niya. Nag-ano na ako sa asawa ko kasi aalis na kami. Pabalik kami ng Santa Fe. Andito kami sa Taos. 2 hours mula Santa Fe. Taos, Golden, then Chimayo, and Santa Fe. Pumunta kami Golden, tapos Ceros, tapos Chimayo, papunta dito Taos. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Yan yung hotel. Ang sasakyan, nag-antay na sila sa akin. Ayan o. Sabi ko, ayaw niya ako paanuhin. Sabi ko, saglit lang. Ayan. Bye-bye. Alis na kami. Bye-bye, Taos.
We're going back to the hotel we stayed at the night before.
I know.
So we'll be there 3 nights.
Bye.
I'm excited.
Head down to Albuquerque and then we leave next week.
Bye. Bye, hotel. Paalis na kami. Papunta kami ng Rio Grande. Ito yun.
Rio Grande Gorge.
Rio Grande Gorge. Ito yung map namin. Ito yung mga pinuntahan namin, guys. Oh. Yung mga nakakoloring yan yung pinuntahan namin lahat. Papunta kami ng Rio Grande Gorge. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Ang ganda.
I'm really bummed out we don't get the reason I came up here was for Taos.
I know.
I could have done some
Sorry
other
for
things.
that. Yeah, the Taos Pueblo is closed, so we are heading to Rio
Closed for
Grande.
ceremonies.
for ceremonies.
for
Say hi, Joshua.
Hi.
Give me your iPad. Dan, we want you to enjoy outside.
Okay, I will.
Confiscate na kung iPad nila tsaka cellphone para mag-enjoy sila. Ganda-ganda ng view, ha? Ito yung Taos, guys. Taos, New Mexico.
Where are we gonna go?
We're just driving.
Yan yung Taos, New Mexico.
Yep. We'll end up at Abiquiu and Ghost Ranch is a little bit past it.
So
We'll look around. There's not a whole lot to see, but we can take a picture by the Ghost Ranch sign, and then we'll head back to Santa Fe, which will take about a little more than a half hour from Abiquiu.
Where's
the place you're going to take us?
Taos Ski.
That were what?
Where were you going to take us?
Okay, what about Mary? Take
The
you where?
Pueblo.
Oh, Taos Pueblo.
Taos Pueblo.
You know, in the living room above the thermostat, that painting that I painted on the wall of that big Pueblo, that's where we were going to go.
Sobrang ganda, no? Nakikita nyo. Nakabaliktad kasi itong camera eh. Kaya sobrang ganda.
It's not
Ayan.
exact.
Hindi kami nag-close kasi. Ang sadya namin dito sa Taos, yung Taos Pueblo. Taos Pueblo. Lumang yung mga historical place. Pero nag-close sila for preparing for the ceremony sa April. Meron silang dance ceremony. So pupunta na lang kami sa Rio Grande. Pero ito yung lugar ng Taos. Papakita ko sa inyo ang Taos. Lugar talaga. Yan o, ang ganda. I'm not sure kung nakita nyo. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng Taos. Breathtaking beauty talaga. Scenic view. Scenic view yung Taos. Ayan, magagandahang mountain. Okay, bye-bye guys.